Unfortunately, I have this extra weather strip in here, which I'm sure is a good thing, but typically what I like to do is sneak my screws back behind this. So I'm gonna try to get them back here, but you might not be able to hide them all the way. So I'm just gonna pull this out like this, and then screw right here, right with my shims, right where those are, and run this screw in. These are 3-inch construction screws. I'll suck that one right in. Yeah, it's pretty hidden. Cool. Okay, let's follow this reveal down. This looks pretty even, and then at the bottom, it does widen a little bit. So we can only get this so perfect because it's an older door, but I'm gonna jam some more shims in there and see if we can pull that tight. A little better. I think we're gonna call that good.